Van's looking squatted today. Make sure you wear your seatbelt when you got a run like this. Turning's kind of a pickle too. You don't want to die. And here we arrive once again to Pacific Steel and Recycling. If you're gonna scrap with Pacific. They're the best. Come on, big weight. Come on, big weight. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Come on, big weight. Let's see what we got. $13,220. Not bad. Not that I actually thought it'd be more though. I got her. It's a lot of weight. A lot of weight. Not that much though. This is more.